Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can invite friends and play co-op challenges in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply select the option Ultimate Team. Now, once you're in your Ultimate Team, all you gotta do, simply select Challenges. And here you need to simply select the challenge which you would like to play. Then simply select the sequence, select the challenge, and here you can see you can basically adjust the difficulty. Also, you can play this challenge solo or you can play it co-op. In order to play co-op, you need to create co-op lobby first. So for that, we need to press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation, and then you will able to create co-op lobby. Like right here, you can basically invite your friends. So in order to invite, you can see we just need to press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, and that we will able to see the EA Connect window. You can simply send the invitation to your friend, and once he accepts, he'll be able to join you, and that way you will able to invite friends and play co-op challenges in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.